Friends, here I will be talking about starts with and ends with methods of Python strings. See, these two methods will return result as either true or false. Now let me go with one by one. Starts with. The starts with method returns true if the string starts with specified prefix. Otherwise, it returns false. See, this is the simple syntax. So simply our string dot starts with method, then prefix, start and end. So here start and end are like our index values and they are optional. So here in this method, suppose if our string is starting with this prefix, then this method will return result as true, else it will return result as false. So same way, if you go with ends with method returns true if the string ends with the specified suffix. Otherwise, it returns false. See, simply, if this string is ending with the given suffix, then this method will return result as true, else false. Now let me go with practice so that you can be good with these two methods. Now let me define a string variable, let's say my string, with the string as Python scripting. Now here, suppose I am printing my string dot starts with, suppose I am searching with the P. That means your given string is starting with the capital P or not. Suppose if our string is starting with capital P, then this method returns result as true. See the result? Yes, true. Now let me take, instead of capital P, suppose I am taking small p. False. First of all, there is no small p in your given string. That's fine. But your string is not starting with small p. That's why you are getting result as false. And let me take now y. Save it and run it. Still you are getting false because your string is not starting with y. See, by default, starts with method will search for your given prefix from index 0, I mean at index 0 starting position. But optionally you can pass your start index. Now see, suppose I am taking, let's say, index 1. See the result? True now. So now starts with will verify this prefix in a given string starting from index 1. Yes, at index 1 y is there. That's why you are getting result as true. Not only for a single character, you can search even for sequence of characters. Now see, suppose, let me comment this line. Print my string dot, let's say, starts with, I am taking simply Python. See the result? Yes, true, because your string is starting with Python. Now suppose instead of taking Python, suppose I am taking thon. Now see the result? Anyway, you will get false. Now I want to search this string with my given index. Then suppose t is there at third character, right? That means index is 2. Now search, verify whether your string is starting with thon from index 2. See the result? Yes, true. Now I am giving some range 2, let's say 5. Let me take first 6. So 2, 6 means, be clear, 6 minus 2, 4 characters. So starts from 2, take 4 characters, and in that your string, is it starting with thon? Yes, true. Now I am taking, instead of 6, 5. Save it and run it. See the result? False. Because you are trying to look for 4 characters, but your range is 5 minus 2, 3 characters. Then there is no match first of all. That's why you are getting false. So this is simply about our starts with method on strings. Now let me go with ends with method. So simply I am printing our string variable dot ends with. You can take any character. Suppose I am taking, let's say, G. Yes, our string is ending with G only. You are getting result as true. Now instead of G, suppose if I take two characters, last two, yes, our string is ending with ng, still you are getting result as true. Now instead of ng, if you take any other, let's say some random string, anyway that string is not there at the end of your given string, that's why you are getting result as false. Now let me take, let's say yes, see the result, you are getting false. And for your ends method also you can apply range like start and end index. Now let me apply that and see the result. My string dot ends with, suppose I am taking s, let's say index, start index I am giving suppose some 5. 5 means 6th character. From 6th character you have to look. See whether if you provide this start index or not, we don't have any problem because by default ends with will look at the end, right? So whether you are starting from P or starting from N or S, there is no problem. Your ends with always look at the end, right? That's why there is no usage if you apply only start index for your ends with method. But if you provide some range, then that is helpful. Now suppose instead of taking this entire string, I have to take, let's say, only this string. In that I have to search whether that string is ending with N or not. So for that, see, suppose I am taking, let's say, N starts with 0, then take first 6 characters, 6 minus 0, 6, right? Then see the result. Yes, you are getting true. So in that way you have to apply ends with method. Not only this string, I mean this part, you can take this part also. So suppose here if we take this is 6th, right? 7, 8th index is yes. Suppose I am taking start with index 0, take up to 8 characters, then that string, is it ending with yes or not? See the result. Yes, it is ending with yes because you have taken only first 8 characters. In that at the end s is there. Yes, that's what it is. Okay guys, this is simply about our starts with and ends with methods of strings. They are very useful while implementing real-time scripts. Okay, thank you.